Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today you find me in Boscombe, which is just to the side of Bournemouth. It's like its less known younger brother. So today we're going to check out the gardens, have an explore around the cliffs, go along the beach and check out the pier. So come along and check it out.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist gains, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
Well, I was going to start in the town centre and give you a little tour around there, but to be honest, it's absolutely atrocious. There's litter everywhere. Looks like a lot of drug paraphernalia on the floor. There's a few homeless encampments. Even in the car park there was a circle of about 12-15 homeless people. Guy in a Dolce & Gabbana tracksuit turns up handing out plastic bags full of white stuff, so not ideal. So we're going to go check out the seafront. Hopefully that's a bit better. Starting to look a little nicer around here. We're going to start with the Westcliff Gardens, if I can find them. Well, these look like gardens to me. Which way should we go? Let's go this way. Now this is looking much more like it. Lovely day to check out Boscombe. Now I think there's a little zigzag path to get down to the seafront. And then we'll check out the beach and the little pier down there. Wow, look at these pillars. Really nice gardens. Right, we found the zigzag path. So let's zigzag it on down to the beach. I must say you get properly good views from this cliff walking down this little path. I mean, just stop and have a look at that. Always good to know there's toilets on the seafront. Here we are. These are pretty fancy beach lodges on the front. Great spot to stay. There's loads of extra sand piled up here. I don't know whether that's been delivered to stock up the beach or whether it just blows on and they're moving it off. I don't know really. So down the front here you've got kind of like your traditional beach huts, and at the back they look like actual little lodges that you can stay in. I wonder if you can rent those out on Airbnb or something, but be pretty nice. They look quite small, but you get a lovely view to wake up to in the morning. Sit on that balcony and drink your coffee looking at the sea. I must say Boscombe seafront is much nicer than its town centre. Definitely don't bother going there, just come straight to the beach. We're going to walk up here and then we're going to get to the pier, walk along there, go check out the sea. Before we get to the pier, let's just go see if we can check out the sea. I've got actual boots on, it's not ideal beach attire. Can I walk along this little bit? Maybe stops me sinking a little bit. Tiny waves, nice and still today. We're at the end of September and to be honest, with a windbreak, it'd be perfect beach weather. Surprised more people aren't here. Right, let's go check out that pier. Look at this bubbling up here. How weird's that? It's making its way down there. I've never seen that before. What do you reckon that is? Let me know down in the comments. If you're enjoying my videos, please do remember to subscribe. It really helps me out on the channel. And while you're there, drop a like and maybe a comment or two. Thanks very much. Colourful lodges coming up now. Beautiful. Some little exercise machines. Well, not really machines, just you just sit on it for a squat, do your sit-ups, or just sunbathe. It's got beach volleyball, and over there we've got some surfers in the sea. Don't think the waves look big enough for surfing. Urban Reef, this looks like a popular place. Sit out in the sun. Electric barbecues. They had those in Bournemouth too. Loads of barbecues. Another barbecue in Boscombe. Another weird bubbly thing. This one much bigger. It goes all the way down there. Is that draining off the cliff maybe? Dunno. Just look this up on Rightmove. It's 60 grand for a studio. You get a nice view over the beach. Cracking location to have your harvester. Right, let's go check out the pier. Nice little walk up the pier, good views today. There's more homeless encampments. The start of the pier on the beach, there's about 15 tents there. I suppose if you're going to be homeless, on the beach isn't the worst place, is it? Oh, look at these musical instruments. Wonderful. You have to look at how the tides roll in. Very tranquil. So here we are, right at the end of the pier. Very, very quiet, very peaceful. Except for a little gust of wind. So thanks very much for watching. That completes my tour of Boscombe. If I was you, I'd avoid the town centre like the plague and just head straight to the beach. The beach and the pier are fantastic. Thanks again, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Everywhere we go, hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.